How to fix that the Shopify is not showing products. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your products are not showing on Shopify, make sure to try these steps. First of all, you will have to check for the product status. In order to do so, head over to your Shopify and go to Shopify admin. Once that is done, go to the products, tap on the drop down menu and then select active and not draft. Make sure whenever you add a product, it is on the active status. Next up, you'll have to check for the sales channel visibility. For this, open any product that you have added or scroll down to sales channels or applications. Once you go to the sales channels or applications, ensure the products are available on the online store. If it is not, the products might not be visible on the application. Next up, you'll have to check for the inventory levels. If the inventory tracking is enabled, ensure the stock is available. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is collection settings. If the products are missing from a collection, check if the collection is automated or manual. If the products don't show up for customers, it could be a browser issue or device issue. So you can try by clearing the browser cache or try another browser. It could be also a theme issue. Check if they are hiding products. For this, go to your products or the online store. Once that is done, go to the themes and tap on manage all themes. Make sure that they are not hiding the products. One thing that you need to keep in mind is updating the Shopify theme time and again. If there is any update available, make sure to tap on it to get the products and the best from the themes. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.